These are the elevators at the convention center at Mandalay Bay, Las Vegas, Nevada. And right, this one. Oh, this one got snapcab the same way the tram elevators did. I'll try to ride them both. If I can't, whoop-de-doo. Drop. This probably looked the same as the tram elevator. This is a casino level? I thought I was just on the casino. People are waiting for it. There you go. They're taking the other one down, and we'll switch over down there. We have an Otis phone here? Yep, we do. And a cigarette. That's nice. Favorite thing in a phone box. Yep, here it comes. As you can tell, it's pretty empty. Before it opens up. Okay.
This is bullshit. Right.
Alright, got buy ourselves. Here we go. Jeez. Alright. We'll let them be. 2 elevators for that is overkill. And I'll let that close up because I don't think I'm supposed to be in here. That's it.